Good day. In this video, I'll show how to solve some selected questions from Chapter 2, Quadratic Equations, Subtopic 2.3, Conditions for different types of roots. Okay, we'll look at question number 1. The roots of the quadratic equation in bracket k minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals to 0 are not real. Find the ranges of values of k. Okay, so the roots are not real. So if the roots are not real, we know that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, but before that, let us identify the a, b, and c from this quadratic equation. So I'll just copy and paste. Okay, now our a is k minus 7, b is 4, and c is 2. Okay, now we'll write the condition. Condition is b square minus 4 AC is less than 0. Okay, so I'll repeat again, less than 0 because the roots are not real. Okay, we replace the values. B is 4, so 4 square minus 4 A is k minus 7, k minus 7, and C is 2. It's less than 0. So try to solve this. 16 minus 4k, 16 minus 4k and 2, it becomes 8k, minus 8k. Then the other one is negative 4, negative 7 and 2, so you get 28. 56 plus 56 is less than 0. So 16 plus 56 is 72. 72 minus 8k is less than 0. I'll leave negative 8k here on my left and move 72 to my right, so it becomes negative 72. So now I'll leave k and move negative 8 from my left to right, so it becomes more than, I'll explain that later, negative 72 over negative 8. Okay, I'll just put that in the bracket, easier to understand. Yeah, this is negative 72, also in bracket. Okay, now remember, when we move a negative number, negative 8, as a division or multiplication from left to right or right to left, the inequality sign will change. In this case, negative 8 goes from left to right. It becomes division here, multiplication, it becomes division here, so the sign changes direction. So now it becomes more than. Okay, previously it was less than, now it becomes more than. Okay, so I'll continue. So k is more than 9. Okay, so that's the final answer. Moving on. For number 2, given the equation x in bracket 2x minus 1 equals to 3x plus k minus 5 has no roots, find the range of values of k. Okay, I'll just copy and paste this equation. Let us change these to a standard quadratic equation, and therefore we can use that standard quadratic equation to find the values of a, b, and c. Now it is not a standard quadratic equation. Okay, Okay, so let us multiply x and 2x. We get 2x square minus x, bring 3x from right to left, minus 3x minus k plus 5 equals to 0. So I brought all the terms from my right to left. Now try to simplify that. 2x square minus x minus 3x, you get minus 4x, then minus k minus 5 equals to 0. Now I can state what is my a, b and c. A is equals to 2, b is equals to negative 4, and c is equals to negative k minus 5. Okay, negative k minus 5. Oh, sorry, it's negative k plus 5. Yeah, I made a mistake with the sign here. It's negative k plus 5. So the equation doesn't have a roots, no roots, therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. What is b? B is negative 4, so negative 4 square minus 4. A is 2, c is negative k plus 5, less than 0. So negative 4 square, you get 16, then negative 4, 2 and k, you get plus 8k, negative 4, 2 and 5, you get 8, 8 times 4, 40, so you get negative 40, less than 0. Simplify 8k, 16 minus 40, you get negative 24, less than 0. 8k is less than 24. K is less, k is less than 24 over 8, then k is less than 3. Okay, so that's the answer for number 2. K is less than 3. We move on to number 3. The quadratic equation mx square plus 2m plus 1 in bracket x plus in bracket m minus 1 equals to 0 has no roots. Show that m is less than negative 1 over 8. Okay, so we'll copy and paste the equation. Just change the font color and make it bigger so easier to see. Okay, in this equation a, b and c is quite clear. It's been arranged. So our a is m, b is 2m plus 1, and c is m minus 1. Okay, so since no roots, the equation has no roots, so the condition for that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So b is 2m plus 1, 2m plus 1, square minus 4a is m, c is m minus 1 less than 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. We have to expand the equation, so it becomes 2m plus 1, 2m plus 1 minus 4m square, and then minus 4m negative 1, you get plus 4m less than 0. Okay, so expand the equation, get 4m square, then get plus 2m plus 2m plus 1 minus 4m square plus 4m less than 0. Okay, let's try to simplify the inequality. 4m square minus 4m square, so yeah, it's 4m as it's eliminated, it's not there. So 2m plus 2m plus 4m, it becomes 8m, then plus 1 is less than 0. So 8m is less than negative 1. 8m, so just leave m, is less than negative 1 over 8. Okay, and it is shown as requested in the question. So that is the answer. Okay, I'll stop here for this video. See you again in the next video.